Hey everyone, Aja here from Panda Monium. So as you saw in the end of my last video, we made it to Home Depot where I need to grab some supplies for my drafty RV. Yep, I'm going to fix that and we're going to find a new camp spot. I think we're going to try Cinder Hills instead of Walnut Canyon because we heard that Walnut Canyon is a bit muddy and Cinder Hills has... it's kind of dark gravel, and it doesn't really get muddy there. So we're going to check that out. But, yep, I'm going to go into Home Depot and grab some supplies. What you doing, Mama? So here's the Reflectix. It's $6.50 for this roll. I think this roll here is $7.98. This is wider. This is narrower, but it has more. I don't know if that's going to be wide enough. I think it will be. I have to grab a few more bungees, and I like their selection, and they sell them individually. Yay. I also need an extended funnel. I've got this red one, $2.47. This black one for $1.45. I had one just like this, but I lost it. I like the red one. It's a little smaller. Okay, cool. My security light that I had on the back, this one here ended up crapping out on me. I've been looking for a replacement battery, but I haven't been able to find it. I'm probably just gonna chuck it. And these are my porch lights that I bought, because that's 84 bucks, and these are only $16.97, I think. So I'm gonna just grab two of these, and these stay on from dusk to dawn and are also motion. So I'll just put two of those in the back, and that should work. Oh look, they've got these Arctic Air Ultras. They're coolers, like a humidifier. Look how fancy the registers are. Self-checkout. We've made it to Cinder Hills camp area. For the next mile, well, we've already been some, so less than a mile. There's no camping in this area. You have to go at least a mile back. No through access to Sunset National Monument. Oopsie. Somebody's camped right there. I don't know if I've been a mile yet. It's weird. Beautiful back here. All the tall grass and the pine trees. I guess I should have had Dana send me a pin so I know where all the rest of them were.
Yeah, I don't know. There are some side roads too.
Yeah, they do look kind of mucky, but that sign said no camping for a mile. And I don't think we've been a mile yet, and I see people camping.
Right.
So I guess we'll just continue on. It's really beautiful back here. The views are great. Ugh. Bumpy road. Okay, I see more people camping right there. Oh, that looks like, yeah, our friends. Okay. So there were people camping back there. I saw at least 2 or 3 people camping back there, but the sign said no camping a mile unless you're a mile in, so I guess they weren't listening. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people back here. Guess we just have to find a spot. Welcome to Cinder Hills, OHV area. Okay. I think that was, Romeo back there.
We're in back here.
You just want to pull back here?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go to? Can we just go anywhere, I guess?
To the right over there, straight down, Oz.
Straight down? Oh, I see him. Okay. Oh yeah, there's Ren and there's Romeo. It's not great for solar, is it? Oh, are you okay?
That's a big sticker.
Huh? Oh, the Onward Bound sticker? Thanks. I don't know. Okay.
You'll have to kind of feel it out.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a little level. Okay. So, where y'all want to park? Cause I'm just trying to back up and get a little level. Do you want to pull forward a little bit?
Yeah, we're gonna park for a minute and take a little walk and see where we want to park.
Roger.
You have some pretty new wheels.
I know.
And some, like,
they were
aggressive
expensive. They
looking tread.
should be. Yeah, I got the where you can do off-road and on-road.
Right. Did you have the off-size wheels before?
I
that are
did
hard
the
to get
16
tires?
and a half. Yeah, I traded them
My
out.
first RV had that.
I was like, nope, gotta go. So,
Yeah.
awesome.
Well, when you get out, I'll give you a hand.
Well, is anything, so what's been going on here?
This is it. Like, it was pretty busy up until yesterday, and everybody started leaving.
I thought they'd probably be leaving,
But,
so.
this is nice because it's a big, wide open space that you can camp anywhere, and it's hard packed. Up there, there's big spaces, but you kind of have to watch out for some
okay.
stuff.
All right.
So,
Okay. Okay, I guess I'll get out.
Yeah, this is like what volcanic
so
rock or
yeah,
something.
wild everywhere. I mean,
Well-
the wind is like.
It must drain. I don't see why it would get muddy with this.
Yeah, I saw your build out.
Yeah, this is this must not get muddy with this kind of weather, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
you get a bunch of rain, and it just soaks right in.
Yeah, I mean this is like perfect gravel.
You get down there, it's wet, but on top of it all,
Yeah, but we can stand outside. You can't do that
Not
stupid
like it
parking
was
lot.
down there.
Alright, I'm gonna catch up. I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I replaced this light with these lights because these are easier to cut off. The switch is on front, where the switch is on the back. So, yep. I'm probably not gonna attach these. I'm just gonna charge them like they are and just place them where I want security. I got the old door off. And I'm going to be replacing that. I bought a new door when I was in Washington, but have never put it on, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. All the fins on this are in good shape, where there, you saw I had to stick a plate there because some of the fins got broken. So, yep. And I have the Reflectix on here that I spray adhesived, so it won't go anywhere. Well, that was easier to get it on than it... Wow, see, I spoke too soon. Dang it, now I have to knock that one out. There's this stupid little thing that keeps it on. And this is longer, obviously. Okay. There we go. Oops. Awesome. Now it should fit. Perfect. Now it just needs to be painted. That'll work. Just have to glue it on and then trim it. Oh. Oh yeah, that'll be much better. Okay, trim time. Awesome. Let's see. That's it. Thanks, Bex. Trim it a little back, because it's hitting this metal part and that's causing it to not want to lock. Oh, they're cutting wood over there. Ta-da. Hopefully that works. Okay, let's see if that helps. Almost. Oh, yep, it worked. Perfect. Yay. Awesome. Moo-moo's chillaxing, and I've got all the vents covered. So no more cold drafts, and the new lights installed. Awesome.
Tahini. Is it not tahini?
T-A-J-I-N, tahini.
Oh, yes. Actually, yes.
Lime flavor.
Yes, I have a tahini and I do love it.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Food looks so good. Ren made the enchiladas and Terry made some salad. Yummy. I'm going to go out by the fire and enjoy their company and my food. Well, I'm definitely glad to have that done and no more drafty air coming through those vents. I just had totally forgot because I was in warmer climate and I didn't notice it. But as soon as we got into cold weather and it was chilly and windy, really windy, you could definitely tell that that wind was coming through all those vents and it made it quite cold in the RV. So, yay, that is done. The rest of the group that we were camping with at the casino should be here tomorrow, and we'll all be here. I think they have something planned. It's somebody's birthday, so yeah, I'll share that with you later, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love you guys out there. Mwah. Bye for now.
Yourself?